Thank you. Merry Christmas. I see we have some kids. We could have some, maybe a little participation here. Would you like to help us sing?
Want to sing?
Number 9.
Remember, you're down to she's like,
Thank you know what? If you can ring bells, that's just as good.
Merry Christmas, thank you.
All right, well, let's just do it without the bells. Ready?
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the hills we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. Oh, what's fun to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what joy it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what joy it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Then through the glow I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank and we got up soft. Jingle bells, all the way. Oh, what joy it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, all the way. Oh, what joy it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, a story I must tell. I went out on the snow, and on my back I fell. A gent was riding by in a one-horse open sleigh. He left his there a sprawling lie and quickly drove away. Jingle bells, all the way. Oh, what joy it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, all the way. Oh, what joy it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Now the ground is white, go it while you're young. Take the girls tonight and sing the sleighing song. Just get a bobtail bay, 240 as a speed. Hitch into an open sleigh and quick you'll take the lead. Jingle bells, all the way. Oh, what joy it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, all the way. Oh, what joy it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
How about joy to the world? That's next.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. Joy to the earth, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ. While fields and floods, rocks, hills and plains, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of his righteousness, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love. Good King Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even. Brightly shone the moon that night, though the frost was cruel, when a poor man came in sight, gathering winter fuel. Hither, page, and stand by me, if thou knowest its telling. Yonder peasant, who is he? Where and what his dwelling? Sorry lives a goodly Kent, underneath the mountain, right against the forest fence, by St. Agnes' fountain. Bring me flesh and bring me wine, bring me pine logs hither. Thou and I will see him dine, when we bear them thither. Page and monarch, forth they went together. Through the rude wind's loud lament, and the bitter weather. Sire, the night is darker now, and the wind blows stronger. Fails my heart, I know not how, I can go no longer. mark my footsteps, good my page, tread thou in them boldly. Thou shalt find the winter's rage, freeze thy blood less coldly. In his master's steps he trod, where the snow lay dinted. He was in the very sod which the saint had printed. Therefore, Christian men, be sure, wealth or rent possessing, ye who now will bless the poor, shall yourselves find blessing. Come, oh, come, one and all, enter Bethlehem's stall. Kneel before your King, hear his mother sing. Sleep, my princeling Jesus, while we worship you. Angels from heaven come down, weaving for you a crown. See, dear Joseph's delight, bathed in heavenly light. Look from crib to the cross, our gain becomes his loss. Come, oh, come, one and all, enter Bethlehem's stall. He came to free us from sin. Joyfully Christians come in. Toss the pot, let us be merry and drink till our cheeks be as red as a cherry. We take no thought, we have no care, for still we spend and never spare, till all our money our purses bear. We ever toss the pot. Toss the pot, let us be merry and drink till our cheeks be as red as a cherry. We drink carols with heart most free, a hearty draught I drink to thee. Then fill the pot again to me, and ever toss the pot. Toss the pot, let us be merry and drink till our cheeks be as red as a cherry. And when our money is all spent, then sell our goods and spend our rent, or drink it up with one consent, and ever toss the pot. Toss the pot, let us be merry and drink till our cheeks be as red as a cherry. Toss the pot, let us be merry and drink till our cheeks be as red as a cherry.
Lo, how arose.
Oh, how arose there blooming from tender stem and strong of Jesse's lineage coming, as men of old have sung. It came a floweret bright amid the cold of winter, when half spent was
40.